everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Crazy Gamer. Today in this video, I'm gonna be guiding you through how you can change your username or your player name in June's Journey. In June's Journey, changing your player name is super easy. Launch open the June's Journey application on your device, whether you are using Android or iOS, and once you are done entering the main home page of June's Journey, go ahead and tap on your profile avatar at the top left corner. This will bring up your profile where you need to tap the pencil button right next to your current username. Now, go ahead and enter your new name in the text box. After typing it down, click on the green button at the bottom and this will help you change your name immediately. Changing the name will cost you some diamonds or gems. Each time you try changing your name, you'll be able to see that the diamond's price has increased. So that's how you easily change your name in June's Journey in just a couple of minutes. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.